The mobility industry is responsible for more or less 20% of the global CO2 emissions. CO2 is part of the so-called greenhouse gases and is one of the causes of climate change and global warming. How can we reduce CO2 emissions? Hi, I'm Stefano and I just finished my PhD in Automotive for Intelligent Mobility. During these 3 years, I focused on internal combustion engines, how to decarbonize them and how to increase their efficiency. Considering the past 150 years of development, internal combustion engines can represent a mature technology and can still play a very important role. However, it is necessary to implement innovative solutions by integrating modern technologies with less carbon-dense fuels. The goal of my research project is to investigate and analyze potential solutions using computational fluid dynamics simulations. This approach is well known in mechanical engineering since it allows to understand very detailed problems without implementing expensive experimental tests. Specifically, my research project is divided into two main parts. On the one side, exploring alternative fuels such as methane, ethanol and biogas in conjunction with existing diesel engines to improve their efficiency using more green and renewable fuels. On the other side, investigate the use of hydrogen in unconventional engine layouts to improve efficiency and decrease emission to almost zero. We are now developing a prototype in collaboration with some of the Emilia-Romagna companies for experimental validations. Looking ahead, hydrogen and in general renewable fuels represents highly promising solutions toward decarbonization. Pioneering sustainable mobility through engine innovation and clean fuels. Let's drive toward a greener future together.